1. Bearing overheating. The shaft parts of machine tools, especially the spindle, are generally assembled into a rolling bearing or sliding bearing, and rotating at a very high speed sometimes will produce high amount of heat. This phenomenon, if not eliminated in a timely manner, it will lead to overheating of the bearing, the corresponding part of the machine tool temperature, and thermal deformation, which not only affects the accuracy of the machine tool itself and machining accuracy, will burn out the bearing. Machine tool vibration in machining process is inevitable, but when the vibration will not only reduce the machining accuracy of workpiece, affect productivity, aggravate wear of the machine tool, friction, wear, and the tool life, especially for cemented tribate ceramics such as brittleness tool material is particularly significant cause vibration of the machine tool. Noise after machine is started due to the rotation between the motion pairs and reciprocating linear sliding periodic contact and separation between them due to mutual motion, and produce a certain vibration. In addition, the entire transmission system of the machine will resonate. Therefore, no matter how reasonable the structure of any machine, how accurate assembly, how appropriate operation once started, will produce noise. If sound is rhythmic and harmonious, it is normal. If the sound is too loud and harsh, it is abnormal. Noise is the forerunner of machine failure. So if abnormal phenomenon should be stopped immediately. Troubleshooting before production. Oil leak of machine tools is a common fault in daily work of machine tools. It not only wastes oil, directly causes economic losses, but also affects the working performance of the machine tool. Meanwhile, long-term oil leakage will also bring adverse consequences to the installation foundation of the machine tool. Therefore, we should attach importance to the leakage control work of machine tools. To carry out investigation and research, find out the oil leakage site, analyze the causes of oil leakage, and take measures to solve.